What's up guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep this channel going, and you know, it'll help us out doing more videos like this. But yeah, it is Prelude season. So we ended up with 3 different Preludes. This is my dad's daily driver now. Instead of driving his van, we have the new $1,000 race car build, which I'm sure a lot of you are looking forward to, and we have my daily driver for this winter, the black Prelude here I bought with a broken timing belt. Got that fixed, up and running, so I've been driving that, but just kind of using this for some parts. Fixed up my car a little bit with some of this stuff here. I'm going to replace these ugly ass headlights with the ones from the $1,000 race car, and got dad's car a couple of parts to fix his up. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. We are going to be starting the teardown on this pretty soon. The first race is in March, so we got to get this thing all the way tore down from a street car into a circle track beast. I actually picked this up for 200 bucks. Believe it or not, there's not a straight panel on the thing, and you guessed it, it's an automatic. We're gonna go MAGA, keep making automatics great again for the Circle Track series. So Dad's here, he's gonna be helping out. We're gonna get taking a few more parts off of this thing. We got to do some work on his, do some work on mine, and yeah, get this thing going. All right, so we got my daily driver in the shop. We got to do a little oil change, just kind of a check over. I put about 1,000 miles on it after having the engine all apart, to redo the head and timing belt and all that kind of bullshit. Get these headlights out of here. Got the Sentra over here collecting some parts on top of it. I will have a race video of that coming soon from a couple months ago. I just never got around to posting that one up, so we'll get that one up pretty soon. But for now, we're just going to be doing a little daily driver work in the shop, and maybe start tearing down the new $1,000 race car. Alright, so we got her jacked up. About to start the oil change here. Dad's working on the headlights.
Top mechanic.
Top mechanic over here. Yeah, it's pretty much, you have to take the bumper off because there's the bolt here, and there's another one kind of down in there, and then I think they pretty much come out after that. So it's not too bad after you get the bumper off, but lucky for us, the bumper on this car came off pretty easy. It's been apart a few times, so I guess there's one on top too that holds it there on each side. But we're gonna get these off. We got a couple used ones off of the race car that we picked up, so race car slash parts car. So we're just gonna keep plugging away at this. All right, so we got those sick eBay clusterfuck of HIDs off of this thing finally. Got some stock headlights in there, looking a whole lot better if you ask me. So next up, just change the oil, and then we'll be done with this thing for now, and we'll get Dad's car in here and put a couple things on that, and keep plugging along. Alright, we got my shit box out of here. Got Dad's car back in, put the grill back in already. He's putting some new rear brakes on. Typical daily driver stuff. He got this thing pretty cheap too. I think it was what, 1,000 bucks you got it for?
900.
Yeah, not too bad for 900 bucks. 164,000 miles. The fender we took off of the race car out there is kind of rubbing right now, so we've got to adjust that. But yeah, just getting this thing up and running for his daily driver, so just keep after this. So yeah, nothing too crazy, just a typical brake job here. So hopefully most of you guys know how to do brakes. Just gonna keep plugging away at this thing and get it all ready for this winter for him to be driving around. All right, we got the grill back in. Got his side skirt back on. Some fresh new brakes in the rear. And this guy's gonna be good to go now. So I think we're just gonna call it there for tonight. So we'll catch you in the next one.